to the 7th House Art Studio. I've come up with a game called Temu Roulette. So I'm going to scroll through here. My hand is covering most of it. I will need to see the add to cart button and the back button, but the middle part of the screen I cannot see, so I do not know what I am choosing. I'm going to choose 3 items. I will not choose, but so what is this? Okay, I'm going to add to cart and the back. Okay. What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, I'm seeing little pictures at the bottom, so I don't want to do that. So if I can see what it is, I'm going to go back. So I want it to be a total surprise. What is this? I see. Okay, I saw it. Hold on. Let's try this again. Okay, let's see. Add to cart. Okay, go back. And I do plan on ordering these items and doing a review on them. I hope I don't pick something that's like $200. Okay, hold on. Go a little bit further on down. So what is this? Oh, it shows pictures at the bottom. I don't want to do that. Okay. So I do have to see the bottom to see add to cart. So hold on. Okay, add to cart. Okay, so there's 3 items. Let's see what I got. Oh, $5.19. So I got a 50-piece Healing Words animal sticker. Okay, some little, oh, those are cute. All right. And I got some light yellow acrylic paint. Where'd it go? Light yellow acrylic paint. Motaro brand. Okay. And, oh, some more stickers. 50-piece cartoon cat. Oh, those are cute. Okay. Well, okay, let's go ahead. $5.19. I can go ahead and check out for that. No, I don't want to add anything. 10 minutes. Okay, I'm trying to. Oh, it has to be $10. Okay, let's see if we can add another item. Okay, go back to the home page. Okay, hands covering that up. Scrolling. Please don't be. Yes, but you know what? If it's $200, I'm taking it off. No more stickers, please. Don't know what this is. I'm going to add it to the cart. And I'm going to go to my cart. I'm at $11. Okay. What did I choose? Trees, 1-piece monthly. Oh, actually, that's not too bad. Oh, that's a pretty good deal. I was looking for one of these for my daughter today at Barnes & Noble's, and they were like, you know how it is, $25+. Okay, so I'm going to go to my cart. $11.66. Let's go ahead and check out. Boy, is it raining here. Okay. Wow. Hopefully you didn't see that. Continue to submit. Submit order. Come on, you. Oh. All right. Okay, everything's here today. Yay. Okay, so let's see what we have here. This are the cat stickers. Okay. They're kind of big. Isn't that so cute? Oh my god. They look like little ninja kitties. Karate cats. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but they sure are cute. There's a lot of them here. All different types of cats. I'm not sure how many came in this packet. Let's see how easy they are to, wait a minute. Are they stickers? Well, oh, yeah, okay. They were feeling just like paper cutouts for a while, so they are stickers. Excuse me. Allergies are running high. So there's a lot of stickers. Looks like a couple repeats, but not many. So this order came pretty... Oh, that one's adorable. So this order came pretty fast. I say about a week and a half. Didn't take long. Okay, so those are cute. Okay. Another pack of stickers. Forgive my nails, they're not dirty, it's black paint. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright, don't have my glasses on, no idea. Oh, okay. Oh, these are little sayings. Okay, these are... The world is better because your kindness is in it. Okay. Please try to be your own side today. On your own side. Okay, we're like encouraging little quotes you can use for yourself. Give them to others. Oh, those are cute. Oh, they're so cute. These would be good for young kids. I don't know about the one with the witch on it, but anyway. These would be good to encourage your kids or co-workers or family members. Trying to go through them fast because there's a lot and you don't want to see every single sticker. But then you might want to see every single sticker so you can decide if you want to buy them. And you saw at the beginning of the video how much they were. I think I spent, what, $11 total? So, in the comments, leave a comment if you like to, for me to play Temu Roulette again. Okay, so those are those cute little adorable stickers. Okay. And then there's 4. Oh, this looked a lot bigger online, didn't it? Of course, I did not look to see how much was in it. I didn't look at the size. Look how little. That's tiny. I thought it was a big tube. That's okay. I'll swatch this, see what it's like. This is the Motaro acrylic paint and a light yellow. Non-toxic. Okay. And the last thing is this monthly calendar planner for 2 years. 2023, 2025. So right now it's July 2023. I'm planning on giving this to my daughter because she's taking early college classes in high school, so this will help her. Okay, bring it down. There you go. You see that better. Okay, I must admit the pages are kind of thin. They feel like regular copy paper. And the print on it is not, looks like they use like the draft setting on the printer. Okay, so it has it's basically a calendar. Okay, so it's basically a 2-year calendar with some pages for notes in the back. Okay, but I think the price was pretty decent, but it's not as good as quality or content as I was expecting it to have. So we'll see if she accepts this. You know how teenagers are. All right, so I'm happy with the stickers. Kind of on the planner. I can't pick the stickers up. So, I did get this ring a couple months ago from Temu. It was under $2, but it's really nice. Okay, so let's test out this paint. Okay, it's so much smaller than I thought it was going to be. All right, you ready? Oh no. Let me get a different brush. It's not too bad. That brush was crusty. It's not too bad. It's better than, it's a lot better than Michael's Artist Loft Series 1, I think it is. That stuff is horrible. That stuff is worse than Dollar Tree paint. And it's better than Hobby Lobby's Master's Touch. Don't waste your money on that either. So, yeah. So this is not too bad, actually, if you get the right brush. So look at that. Crusty. Alright, so of course this is just color pencil paper. It's not too bad. I would buy this over Hobby Lobby's Master's Touch and Michael's Artist Loft Series 1. That's for sure. Okay, so thank you. And like I said in the comments, leave a message if you'd like for me to play Temu Roulette again, or let me know if you do it yourself. So we got the paint, cute little stickers, which I have no idea what to do with, but I'll find something, and a planner. Not really a planner, it's just a big ass calendar book with some notes. Alright, so there you go, and thank you for joining me. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Trying to get over 2,000 subscribers. I am at like 1,500 now. So yeah, I'll say thank you and come back. Turn off. Turn off. Oh my. Ugh. Turn off. Wow. Okay, it won't turn off.